Hello, in order to set up or change the screen lock on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, you need to go to the settings. Now in the settings, we need to scroll down just a little bit and go to lock screen and AOD. Then choose screen lock type. And now you can choose one of the screen lock types. So you can set up a PIN code, password, pattern, or a simple swipe. And of course, if you don't want to use the screen lock later on, then you can choose none. So let's say I'm gonna choose a PIN code. Now over here, we need to enter at least 4 digits for our screen lock. I'm gonna choose a simple one, press continue. If it's a simple PIN code, then of course you will be informed about it, that it is easy to guess. But you can choose use anyway. Then re-enter the same PIN code to confirm. And there we go. Now you will find some lock screen notifications that you can manage immediately. And we can press done. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.